All right, language explorers. So let's look at lay and lie. L, A, and L, I. So lay, to put something down gently. I will lay the book on the table. Yeah. I lay the book on the table. Yeah. 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 Lay him down here for the operation. You need to lay here. Lay here. Yeah. Can you lay the table, please? Put the cups and cutlery on the table. Lay out the cutlery for the table. The plates, knives, and forks. Yeah, lay the table. I'll call it that. But lie, to make something up and not tell the truth. Yeah, not the truth. There we are. So lie, here we are. Yeah. He told a lie to the reporter. He often lies to them. That lie was small and innocent. That other lie might come back to haunt you. It'll come back to haunt you and affect you again in the future. They have to listen to his lies. Yeah, I won't listen to these lies. Yeah, they're telling falsehoods. Yeah, so you got lay on the floor, lay things down, lay it down gently, and he always lies. He always lies. He is a liar. Yeah. What a stupid lie. Ugh, what a stupid lie. Don't believe him. Yeah, don't believe him. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So lay the book down and lie. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use lay and lie in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.